how to change account on Monopoly Go. This is a step-by-step video so you will know how to change account on Monopoly Go. This is a step-by-step guide so you will have no trouble following. Now basically once inside, you want to go ahead and open up your Monopoly Go account right here or your Monopoly Go application. Once inside, all you have to do is to head to the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and this menu will show up. From here, you can then go ahead and see something like your name, your level, shop network, showroom, daily treats, and just below that, we then have our settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And finally, to go ahead and change our account on Monopoly Go, you want to click on the green button that says manage account. From here, you can then go ahead and disconnect your Facebook, your Google Play Store, and more. You want to go ahead and do that, and right after, you now want to go ahead and click on the Facebook button once more or the Google Play button once more, because from there you will be able to log in a new account on Monopoly Go, and in that way you will be able to change your account. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.